If you're behind on your taxes, you're not alone, and it's never too late to file. Many people hesitate because they fear the IRS, but here's the truth. Filing late is always better than not filing at all. The longer you wait, the more penalties can pile up. But taking that first step brings relief. That's where Izella Tax Relief comes in to help you navigate the process. Izella specializes in assisting those who haven't filed in years, guiding you through every step. From gathering records to preparing accurate returns, she's got your back. And she'll even communicate with the IRS on your behalf, so you don't have to face them alone. Once you're caught up, you can finally breathe easy and move forward without fear. Fresh starts begin here, and it's time to reclaim your peace of mind. If you're behind on taxes, don't wait another year. Reach out to Izella. Call 227-230-0345, Izella Tax Relief, helping taxpayers find relief and hope.